Hello students, this is RSM grade 4 unit 8B, how to scale the amount down. Before coming towards page number 68 of workbook, we have to learn how to change a decimal to a fraction and a fraction back to a decimal. For this, let's learn 3.5. For example, I'm writing a decimal number here. It's 3.5 and we have to change into a fraction. We need to make sure that all the decimals are replaced by 1 in the denominator and all the digit after decimal will be written in form of zeros. So if there is only one digit after decimal, it will be 10 as a denominator. So it will be 35 and in denominator it is 10. For example, if it is 3.57, the decimal will be replaced by 1 and there are 2 digits after decimal, so there will be 100 in denominator because decimal will be replaced by 1 and 2 digits will be written in a form of zeros. So it will be 357 and in denominator there will be 100, right? So now come to the question number 1, that is we have a decimal number and we have to find 1/5 of a number. Here I want to tell you one thing, keep it in mind. Whenever you are asked to find any fraction of a whole number or a decimal number, you always have to multiply, right? So let's make a question. 3.5 and we have to find 1/5. So we are going to multiply 1 by 5. Now it's a decimal number. First step is to change the decimal to a whole number, to a fraction. So I'm changing that decimal with 1 and all the numbers after it will be zeros. So it will be 35 and in denominator it's 10. So here I'm going to tell you the easy thing. You can multiply numerators together and denominators together, but there will be complexity after it. I want to make it easy for you, so let's do one thing. We have to simplify first, okay? We are going to simplify this numerator with this denominator, right? 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 7 is 35. And then we have to multiply numerators together and denominators together. 7 times 1 is 7 and denominator there is 10 times 1 is 10, definitely. Now it's fraction again. Our question is in decimal. We have to write the fraction, the answer as in decimal again. 1 digit and a decimal. 1 digit is right here, so decimal will be right there. So our answer is 0.7 liters. Let's come to solve the second question maybe, or the third question. Let's solve the third question. Let's make the question first. It's 5.1 and we need to find 1/3, that is 1 by 3. Let's change this decimal into fraction. Decimal will be replaced by 1 and since there is only one digit, so there will be 10 as the denominator, right? Now I told you to simplify first. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 17 is 51. How I'm saying 3 times 17 is 51? I can do it mentally, but to make it easy for you, let's divide. 3 outside, 51 inside, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 remainder, 1 comes down, it is 21. 3 times 7 is 21, here is 17. So that's why 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 17 is 51. Now 17 times 1 is 17 and denominator is 10. Now we have to change back to a decimal, 1 digit and a decimal. So 1 digit and a decimal right here. Our answer is 1.7 meters. Now let's suppose we are doing E part, right? 1/3 of a box. 11, since it's already a whole number and we have to multiply it with 1 by 10. We are finding 1/10 of it. So numerator together. 11 times 1 is 11 and denominators is 10. 1 digit and a decimal, 1 digit and a decimal. Our answer is 1.1 kg. I think it is easy for you now.